MJ's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm gonna make some pineapple upside down cake. And these are my ingredients here. I'm gonna walk it through with you. Okay, I'm gonna make my wet mixture. I'm using my box cake as usual. One box. Let me do my dry first. I'm adding 1 cup flour. Just level this off. Okay, 1 cup flour. Put this back over here. Over there. I'm adding ½ tablespoon baking powder. I do it without the baking powder before it come out fine, but I'm just doing it a little different today. You know, just play around with texture. I'm adding a little less than ½ teaspoon salt. So a little less. And that's it. Okay, flour is done. I'm gonna add my cake mix. Mixing this together. I have pineapple upside down cupcake on my playlist, but now I'm making a big pan. Yeah, I always work with what's on the box, but with, like it said, 3 eggs. I'm adding 4 today. I'm just playing around. We don't need any extra sugar or anything because that cake is sweet. And then I'm using, it said water, but I'm using the pineapple juice, which is 1 cup pineapple juice. This is ½ cup oil. As I said, I'm playing around with the texture of the cake, so I'm adding an extra tablespoon oil. Okay, here we go. We might need a little bit more water because we have that extra flour, or we might not. We have here some sugar, butter, and I use a little of the pineapple juice to melt. Just melt everything. Leave a little bit in here because I probably need some for that small cake. Oh, pineapple now. Sure, it's in the center. I couldn't find any bigger cherries. and I wanted was to get the dry ones. Now we're gonna pour. Okay. Yeah, we got it. In the oven she goes. On the middle, in the middle, guys. Until done. I don't have a special time for it. I'm gonna set it at half an hour because of my cupcake, and then I go from there. I'll meet you back here. Okay, family, here we go. This is our pineapple upside down cake. It smells good in here. And this is the cupcake. I have some of this on my playlist. You can also check it out. Okay guys, while you're watching, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell. Subscribe, guys. Look at the side, that brown pretty color. This is calling my name. This is my favorite cake. I want to taste for you. Look at the inside. See how good that look? Yummy and juicy. Fluffy. I'm gonna taste, guys. Look, fluffy. Yum, yum, yum. Anyway, guys, thanks for coming into my home. God bless you. Take care. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Love you guys. Bye-bye.